Morning children, welcome back to your VPS e-learning class beta. As you all know that yesterday I have explained the whole chapter. Today I am going to explain the word meaning and hard words of the lesson 10 Beauty and the Beast part 2 children. So in this chapter I hope that you all have understood the story. In this, when merchant came back to his house, he saw that all his 5 children are quietly safe and they are very happy to see back his father. So when they met with father, they asked that, "Oh father, we are so very happy to see you back again, and you came with treasure for us. So it is very good for us, father." In this, merchant is now, when came back to his house, he is happy but quite sad also. So he tell his all children that, "I have one good news and one bad news for you." So Beauty said, "No father, no bad news again." So quite now in a calm words, merchant said that, "First you hear me what I am going to tell you." So one good news is that I am bring one rose for Beauty, and one bad news is there that when I am when I am in forest, I met there a beast in the castle. So when I am going to picking the rose, at that time beast came and met with me, and he saw me the picking the rose. He is very angry, and he said that, "By whose permission you are picking up the rose from my garden?" So merchant said that, "One of my girl child want this rose, that's why I am picking the rose. So please pardon me, but beast kept me one promise that if you taking this rose, there is no problem, but bring one of your girl child for me to be marrying with him." So now merchant is in problem. He said, "If you don't do this, I can kill you." So very angrily beast has said this. So merchant, saving his life, he kept the promise and said, "Okay, okay, I am going to house and I can bring one of my girl child for you." So I am going to explain today word meaning and hard words beta, so you can see it properly. Okay, let's begin with the hard words. Good morning class. As you all know that yesterday I have explained the whole lesson of your lesson 10 Beauty and the Beast part 2 children. Today I am going to explain the hard words and word meaning beta. So mention today's date, that is 25/1/21, and at the right side classwork beta. So write down the hard words like this. You have to write the same heading like this beta. First word is wonderful. First word is wonderful. Second word is dreadful. Second word is dreadful. Third is returned. Third is returned. Fourth is treasures. Fourth is treasures. Fifth is treating. Fifth hard word is treating beta. Next is overjoyed. Sixth is overjoyed. Seventh is pleasant. Seventh word is pleasant. Eighth is castle. Eighth is castle. Ninth is generous. Ninth is generous. Tenth is permission. Tenth is permission. 11th is shuffling. 11th is shuffling. 12th is shaky. 12th is shaky. 13th is necessary. 13th is necessary. 14th is terrible. 14th is terrible. 15th is clock. 15th is clock. 16th transformed. 16th transformed. 17th amazed. 17th amazed. 18th concealed. 18th concealed. 19th scrambled. 19th scrambled. And 20th blessing beta. So you all have to write the same hard words and you have to check that spelling should be correct beta. Come to the next, that is your word meanings. So in this you have to write down the word meaning heading like this. Lesson 10 Beauty and the Beast part 2 at the right side, classwork beta. First word is barn. Barn is a word which means a large farm building used for storing goods or sheltering animals. Means it's just like a proper shed in which you have give the protection to sheltering the animals, or it is a large farm building which is used for storing goods also beta. Okay. Next is behold. Behold is to see. When you see anyone beholding, it is to see. Next is concealed. Concealed is hidden. Concealed is hidden beta. Kept from being seen. Next is dreadful. Dreadful, shocking or bad. Concealed means hidden, means something if it is in hide, so it is concealed. Okay. Next is dreadful. Dreadful is shocking. When you seeing anything you get shocked, that is dreadful. Dreadful means shocking or bad. Next is fault. Next word is fault beta. Fault means mistake or error. Fault means mistake or error. Means by chance when you done any mistake, it will be known as fault. Fault means mistake beta. Next is generous. Generous means kind. When you show kindness, so you will be generous to anybody. So generous means kind, giving something or ready to share. It is generous. Next is overjoyed. Overjoyed means when you are very happy, it is overjoyed. Okay, it is clear now. Come to the next. Next is a scrambled. Scrambled, mixed or thrown together. This word is used in the like scrambled egg. When you cooking the egg, you scramble it, mixed it properly, by making it omelette or burji something, it will be scrambled egg. Okay children, so scrambled means mix or thrown together beta. Next is state. State is a condition. So state is a condition. It will be good or bad. Okay. So come to the next. It is transformed. Transformed, change in appearance or form. When water transformed into ice, so it will change its appearance na. So transform, change in appearance or form beta. So I hope it is clear to you all. So once again I am repeating, barn, a large farm building used for storing goods or sheltering animals. So you can write for barn, sheltering animals, or a large farm building used for storing goods beta. Behold, to see. Concealed, hidden or kept from being seen. Dreadful is shocking or bad. Fault is mistake or error. Generous is kind, giving something to anybody or ready to share. Next is overjoyed. Overjoyed means very happy. Scrambled means mixed or thrown together. State is a condition. It will be good or bad. Okay children. And last is transformed, change in appearance. I hope it will be clear to you all. So what you all have to do, you all have to, after completing the writing, after completing the word meaning and hard words in your fair copy beta, you have to learn this also. And if you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally also beta. Thank you.